Hello friends, hello Prieteni, hello amici from everywhere, people from everywhere. Tonight we are serving brine chicken roasted in oven with asparagus, a very beautiful dish just came out of the oven. Please subscribe and like and watch until the end and you'll see the big surprise. Chicken tonight. Chicken. We're gonna make chicken, brine chicken. I was thinking about chicken roasted, but make it a little bit special. I never did it. It's first time here with you. With Campbell soup. I found some Campbell soup. We're gonna brine the chicken with Campbell soup with ketchup, soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, salt, water and spices. Get some spices. Let's see if something come good. If it's okay, it will be a bomb. We are starting with the Campbell soup. I got this, you see, it's tomato soup, Campbell soup, nothing special, just simple one. If you don't find this or you don't have this, use just tomato sauce. But we are trying with this. It's already salted, you know, has some spices. I'm not sure. I never used Campbell soup. They are saying it's special, it's good. Our chicken will stay here like 24 hours in this brine. 2 cans of Campbell soup. We are adding ketchup. Very good ketchup here for some nice flavor. Beautiful. It's not a precise recipe. Just throw the things here inside. Put the chicken overnight, 24 hours, and we'll see what came out. Brown sugar. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Brown sugar. Bay leaves and all spices. Not so much because the most important thing is the sugar, the salt and the vinegar. We got some soy sauce for flavor and saltiness. Good. A tablespoon. Vinegar. I use the white balsamic vinegar. Go. We need acidity because we use sugar and we need some vinegar. 2 tablespoons vinegar, balsamic vinegar. If you use the regular one, maybe 1 tablespoon. But you can put 2 tablespoons because we add some water. And salt. Salt has to be, because we use some soy sauce, a nice tablespoon of salt. Like this. Good. Beautiful. And now we add water. We add water like 1 liter of water. We want to make sure the liquid is covering the chicken. The chicken has to be submerged in the water, in the liquid. And now we mix for to dissolve the sugar and the salt. Looks nice and smells nice. I think will be okay. It's first time I make it. I never made this with Campbell soup. I never made it. It's something new. Today I was thinking about something original. And then came chicken and Campbell soup. All for you. Our star, the chicken. This will gonna go here in the brine, in our Campbell soup brine. Okay, let's do it. submerge the chicken. Come on here, my friend, don't be afraid. Go here inside. Good. You see, I cut the chicken in the back. The breast it's all. Put a cover on top, like this. In the fridge 24 hours. After long 24 hours in the fridge, our chicken is ready to be roasted in the oven. Now I will take out from the brine, put it here. Here it goes. Right here, our chicken looks beautiful. Now we'll dry it well. Take out the moisture. Good. It's well dry. Right now, using my rubbing stuff, paprika, salt, pepper, some oil, not too much, just a little bit. And now we add more rubbing salt, sweet paprika. This is all we got. This is all. Beautiful. Nice color. I will transfer this to another pan, a clean one, and throw it in the oven. The oven is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After you touch the raw meat, any kind, you wash your hands before continuing with the tools and veggies and other stuff. Wash your hands, sanitize your hands. Okay, I wash my hands, sanitize everything. I transfer the chicken in the new clean pan. You see, it's very nice. Wrapped with the paprika, black pepper and salt. And this is gonna go in the oven on the roast convention for like 40 minutes, 45. You're gonna check with your oven. Like I said, check the temperature into the breast to maximum 160 Fahrenheit. And after 20 minutes, open the oven, check it a little bit. If it's too dark, lower the temperature to 325 for the next 20-25 minutes. And if there it's smoky and some fat or some juices going and it start to burn, you can add some water or some beer into the pan and let it cook. 30 minutes. Woo-hoo, get some smoke. This is what we got after 20 minutes. We are checking the temperature here in the breast. Fahrenheit. Right now we are 100 degrees. We need to achieve 160 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna put some beer here in the pan. Alright, one beer. Good. Go back and it's ready when it's 160 in the breast. Let's check it. Check our chicken. Oh my god, it looks nice, looks beautiful. Let's check the temperature inside. Good. Looks like 56, 57. More spots. This is 159. Our chicken is ready. You see nice color, the beer is in the bottom. Got some moisture, some flavor from the beer. The chicken is ready. We're gonna put it and rest for like 10-15 minutes and then we're gonna serve it. The chicken is ready. Came out from the oven. It took me like 20 minutes on 400 degrees. And then I add a beer and then another 40 minutes on 330 degrees Fahrenheit. And now it's 160 and inside the breast the temperature. And I'm gonna get the chicken. Ooh, it's done. Looks good and beautiful. I'm gonna put here and rest it for like 10-15 minutes. And in all of this time I'm gonna cook like side some asparagus. I pre-cook them like 3-4 minutes in boiling water with some herbs. I'm gonna use some oregano from my garden, some garlic clove, olive oil, salt and pepper, and that's it. Let's start with this. I'm gonna add some olive oil, not too much, just a little bit. We got two cloves of garlic. Just crack them like this for some flavor. And we have this oregano from my garden. I'm gonna put just like this. All feel the smell of the garlic. You add your asparagus. Woohoo! Right here. We don't need to cook them for so long. We add some salt and some pepper, and that's all. Very low heat. Our asparagus is ready, and that's it. Okay, I colored the chicken. I cut it in pieces like this. Looks good, smells good, everything is good. I hope you'll do the same. The chicken, it's brine on Campbell soup with ketchup, with vinegar, water, salt, and we appreciate you subscribe to our channel and like our channel. All right, fork and knife. Let's taste this brine chicken. Very beautiful. Let's see. It's moist inside. It smells very nice. Let's taste it. The salt is right. The flavor is beautiful. Asparagus. Beautiful. Juicy chicken. I brine it for 24 hours. Rub it with paprika, pepper, salt. I add some asparagus, some oregano from my garden. Please enjoy it. Came out very nice. Juicy chicken, beautiful.